start off by showing my flashcards. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Ximena Reyes, and today I am going to be talking about the reasons why anxiety and depression among college students should be taken seriously. Many college students around the world are exposed to suffer from anxiety and depression due to all the changes we face when transitioning to a new environment, such as a new lifestyle without family, meeting new friends, having roommates, and being exposed to different cultures. By being a college freshman, I have experienced some anxiety due to stressful situations, such as deadlines, exams, and getting used to a new environment overall. When transitioning to college, us as students face a lot of major changes that may affect us, and although everyone handles certain situations differently, it is still important to know that anxiety and depression are real and they are very common in college students. Today, I will be sharing essential information about anxiety and depression that every college student should be aware of. I will define what anxiety and depression is, the effects of anxiety and depression, treatment and finding helpful resources at your school, and helplines for anxiety and depression. In order to know if you're suffering from anxiety and depression, you first have to know what it actually is. According to Erica Riba and Diana Cusimano, that wrote Depression Among College Students, depression is a medical condition that can affect a student's ability to work, study, interact with society, or take care of themselves. Symptoms of depression are difficulty sleeping or sleeping too much, appetite changes, withdrawing from participating activities that were once enjoyed, feelings of sadness, hopelessness, unhappiness, and difficulty concentrating on schoolwork. Some of these symptoms can lead to suicidal thoughts. Anxiety is a mental disorder that can lead to nervousness, fear, apprehension, and extreme worrying. Some of the symptoms of anxiety and depression are feelings of being on the edge, uncontrollable feelings of worrying, increased irritability, concentration difficulties, and sleep difficulties, such as problems on falling or staying asleep. Now that you have a sense of knowledge of what it actually is, let's talk about the effects. According to the Advanced Psychiatry Association, anxiety and depression can include many negative physical and psychological effects, and these include digestive disorders, heart disease, obesity, chronic pain, suicidal thoughts, substance abuse, respiratory illnesses, and thyroid problems. When experiencing these, it is important to know that they could get even worse without the treatment necessary, and it is recommendable to take the therapy to better your health. While experiencing some of these symptoms and effects, it is still important to know that there are many ways to suppress it, and some schools actually have very helpful resources to help students with their mental health. According to the American Institute of Stress, college students might find help offered at mental clinics outside of their campus, as well as finding help inside of their campus in the university mental health resources. These may offer several options such as psychotherapy, medication, clinical trials, lifestyle coaching, home remedies, support groups, behavior modification, and some of the student accommodations are inability for teachers to call on students. Students are waived from doing any oral presentations in class. Test, assignments, and project instructions will be given to the student in advance. Students are provided with advanced seating near exits in case the student needs to leave suddenly. Although there are a lot of resources to help get through anxiety and depression, it is also important to know that there are hotlines you can call to manage this. According to the SAMHSA, which is the Substance Abuse of Mental Health Disorder Administration, their helpline is free, confidential. It is available 24/7, 365 days of the year, and it is offered in many languages. You can call it 1-800-662-HELP 8257. According to the www.pleaselive.org/hotline/, there are many other hotlines that you can call, such as the National Suicide Prevention Hotline, which is 1-800-273-8255, or the Drug Free Hotline, which is 855-378-4373. Today I have shared essential information that I believe all college students should be aware of. I provided a better understanding of anxiety and depression, the effects that might be faced, treatment and helpful resources to treat it, and many hotlines that you can call to get help. Today my purpose was to inform and expand awareness of anxiety and depression and some of the effects people may suffer from this disorder, such as suicide, alcohol abuse, drug abuse, etc. Remember that if you ever feel like you could be a candidate for this mental disorder or know anyone who might be, there are many people and resources who are willing to help, and you're not alone. Remember to visit www.pleaselive.org/hotline/ to get help. Thank you.